101boxbreaks.com. Doing a little Bowman break here, doing a divisional status. We got William F. with 4 and Tyler B. with 2. Doing Bowman Jumbo here. Nice, beautiful box there. We got a randomization to do for the divisions, and then we're going to open it up for trading for you guys for a few minutes until you're okay with it. We got William F. and Tyler B. there. In the order it was proposed and accepted, we're going to copy those up. We're going to open up our random.org. We're going to paste you guys on in. We're going to randomize it 3 times. 2015 Bowman Jumbo Box Break. Here we go. Here's number 1. Here's number 1. All right, time stamped up, guys. All 6 of you. Here's number 2. Here's number 2. All right, in the final order, here it is, guys. Good luck to you. Boom. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It ended up how it started. You gotta be kidding me. Talk about random. All right. I mean, if you think about it, really, that's total randomness right there. All right, guys, so there's your divisions. There's your owners. Here's some teams. I know you guys are over there on breakers, so I'm trying to make it work for both cameras. Too hard to see, I'm sure. Let's see here. All right, so there's your divisions and there's your teams, guys. If you guys want to do any trading, just go ahead and let me know. Let the big guy know, and I will make sure that your teams are taken care of. Oh, I know he wanted those Mets, and you've got them, Tyler. Ooh, he'll give you the Yanks, the Twins, or Indians. Definitely not the Cubbies. All right. I'm just kind of spectating. There's going to be 3 autos in this box. 2015 Bowman Jumbo. 12 packs, about 400 cards. Just seeing if these guys want to trade anything before we get going here. Trying to work a deal for the Mets right now. 2015 Bowman Jumbo Box Break. Proposed trade for the Mets. The Indians. Go ahead and confirm, TY. You can do the Mets for the Indians, no problem. Just go ahead and give me a confirmation, and we'll do the Mets for the Indians there. Okay, so Mets for Indians is a trade. All right, I'm going to go ahead and print out this sheet, and I'll write up the trade on it and everything. If you guys interested in anybody else, getting rid of anybody else, let me know. We're going to get started as soon as this sheet prints out and I get everything written down. Okay, so the Braves. The Braves are up. All right, so we had the Mets traded for the Indians, right? All right, Mets traded for Indians, Cleveland Indians for the Mets via trade. Just taking some notes here. You guys go ahead and take your time. It don't matter to me. Just hanging out at the Boom Factory here. We're live, we're recording, doing a personal box break, or not personal, there's a couple people in it. Doing some Bowman Jumbo. Diamondbacks for the Braves is the trade that's on the board. The Arizona Diamondbacks for the Atlanta Braves. Hotlanta for the D-backs. We got Atlanta for the Diamondbacks. Diamondbacks for Atlanta. Do we got any takers on the Diamondbacks Atlanta spot? We got Atlanta and the Diamondbacks. Come on now. I'm going to get on that Diamondbacks spot now. Come on. Love it. Mike D in the house. What up, Mike D? I remember calling your name tonight in that immaculate break, Mike D. Were you watching? Were you watching, Mike D? I had to pull out the Beastie Boys and everything. Braves for Diamondbacks. We got Braves for Diamondbacks. We've got a confirmation. Braves Diamondbacks. Via trade. All right, anybody else? You guys ready to go? You guys want to trade a little more? You're good. TY is good. TY is confirmed. W Finn, let's roll. You're set. Let's do it, guys. All right, we're going to do Bowman Jumbo. Got a two-man box break here. One person ended up with 4 divisions, one with 2. Then they did a little trading. Fresh box here. 3 autos minimum. You can get 4 per box. We have pulled 4. Usually when they throw in like the dual autos and special things, you get an extra auto. All right, guys. It's the new stuff. It's baseball. It's baseball season. Still got a few months to go for football. You know what I didn't talk about? The National. I didn't talk about the National tonight. Got caught up in the Rangers Caps game. How'd your Caps do, buddy? All right, here we go, guys. I'm not going to call him my ride. Fulton Ritz there. Kershaw. Matt Holliday. Shoemaker. Dexter Fowler. Edwin Escobar. Nick Williams. All right, let's get to the fun stuff here. Alvarez. Jeremy Garcia. Alcantara. Emerson Jimenez, Louis Herrera, and we got Chad Pinder, we got Jose Valdez, Mr. Escobar, Resny Castillo, and Matt Barnes in pack 1. All right, let's get into number 2. Mets, he says. It happens. It happens, Curtis. Zach Wheeler, J.J. Hardy, Craig Kimbrell, Starling Castro. Then we got Frank Schwindel, little Julio Urias, Jose De Leon. Toussaint. One of the trade teams there, the D-backs, right? And then we got Jonathan LaCroix. That'll be going to Milwaukee and the Brewers. The NL Central, Tyler B. Little white ice there. All right, and then we've got Daniel Robertson, little mini wave refractor there for the A's. And Oakland going to the AL West, William F. Okay, so some nice inserts out of pack 2. Urena, then we got Sang, Jin-Ho Sang for the Cubs there. Bryce Harper, Yan Gomez, and Josh Reddick. All right, pack number 3, working our way through the first stack here. Will we see our first auto out of pack number 3? The question remains to be answered. Here we go. Mike Trout, Matt Garza, Gary Brown, Mr. Hosmer. Then we got Williams Perez, Austin Kubica, Carlos Rodon chrome right there. Jorge Mateo, Hunter Harvey. Woo! Woo! Chris Bryant, Bowman Scout, top 100 there for the Chicago Cubs in the Central, Tyler B. All right, we'll take that, huh? And then striking first, Daniel Corchino with Cincinnati, the NL Central, Tyler B.A. Little Corchino rookie auto on card right there. Couple nice back-to-back cards right there for you. Avery Romero. Brian Mitchell, rook. Cliff Williams, Sonny Gray. So pack number 3 producing as well. Number 2 and 3, both pretty nice. All right, let's get into pack number 4. Either way, you guys got tons of cards coming. I'm going to have fun sorting it, but divisionals are a lot easier to sort, trust me. Greinke, Soler, Shin-Soo Cho, Jared Saltalamacchia, Aaron Sledges, Joe Jackson, Mr. Gomez there, Kyle Schwarber, and then, not bad, Nick Gordon. Bowman Scout. Then we got a Minnetonka and the Twins, William F. in the Central. At least some nicer names of the Bowman Scouts coming out of this, huh? Minnetonka. And then, and actually, this is a pretty nice one here. Robert Rev Snyder. On-card Yankee Prospect Auto. Not bad. Going to the AL East, William F. Beautiful card there. There you go, WF fan. Striking back a little bit right there, huh? Champ Stewart. Archie Bradley. Then we got Daniel Norris. Alex Cobb, the throwback. Paulie Goldschmidt. Schmitty. Little Schmitty action. All right, guys. We're 2 autos in. Still got tons of cards to go through here. What happened in the Rangers-Cats game, Curtis? Come on, man. Tell me. How did it go down? I want to know. Heavy D wants to know. Spangenberger. All right, Anthony Rizzo. Ziegler. Jordan Urena. Kyle Schwarber chrome there for the Cubbies. Not bad. Raisel Iglesias. David Dahl. Tim Anderson. And then we got nice Alex Verdugo. Mini wave refractor for the Dodgers and the West. William F. W. Finn picking it up a little bit here. Ryan Merritt. James Dykstra. We got Jake Johansson. Jason Rogers. Dilson Herrera. And Mr. Quito at the back. Johnny C. at the back. Might have already lost Curtis over there. Cordino. Yami Garcia Rook. Lonnie Chisenhall. Jonathan LaCroix. Tyler Dish. Ty Black there. Ryan Merritt. Nick Gordon. And then we got Elvis Andrews. 197 out of 499. Now we go to Texas and the Rangers. The AL West, William F. Andrew Heaney, Bowman Scout, top 100 for the Angels. Tony Bowden, Victor Alcantara, Andre Wheeler, Andre Ethier, Kurt Suzuki. The Andres, back-to-back Andre action. All right, we got a whole nother stack to go here. At least one more auto coming our way. Doing some Bowman baseball. A divisional box break here. All right. Lonnie Chisenhall, David Wright, Bryce Brents, Corey Spangenberg, Sal Romano, Jermaine and Josh Bell, Austin Voth, and then we've got Eric Haas. That's going to Cleveland, little white ice refractor there. The Indians, via trade, going to Tyler B. And then we got Kevin Ziemic. Mini wave refractor for Detroit. Non-numbered version there. The Tigers in the AL Central, William F. Conrad Gregor. AJ Cole. Jason Rogers and Troy Tulowitzki. Woo. Almost lost the stack. We got 5 packs left, guys. Go to oneboxbreaks.com. Heavy D in the Boom Factory. Doing a little late night baseball break here. Jose Abreu. R.A. Dickey. Dalton Pompey, rookie. Daniel Cortino. Another Yami Garcia, very nice. Machado, Wagner, and Dykstra. Carlos Rodon. Jose De Leon. Mark Apple, and then we got Cole Stewart. Bowman top prospect, top 100. And Daniel Alvarez. And that's going to be going to Baltimore. And then Orioles, the AL East, William F. Nice on-card prospect auto there. Beautiful shape, as these cards always are. Tim Cooney. TJ Chisholm. Chinley Hugh. And we've got Ian Desmond and Andre Ethier at the back of the pack. 4 packs left. Who knows, maybe a little something extra hanging out in here. Hoping for at this point, no color really at this point. AJ Alvarez. Josh Hamilton. Austin Voth. Mr. Ruiz. Lopez. All right, and then we got Carlos Correa. It's going to be going to Houston, the Astros, the AL West, William. A mini wave refractor there. And then DJ Peterson, top 100 die cut. 86 out of 99. It's going to be going to Seattle in the AL West, William F. First one I've seen out of the case yet, so there's got to be a little bit more rare. Jose Valdez. Samson. Joey Votto. Got a little Jacques Peterson rookie there. Those are hot, huh? Matt Carpenter and can't see it. Cole Calhoun. Who's got the NL West? William F. and them Dodgers. Little Jacques Peterson rookie there. All right, guys, 3 packs left here in Bowman Jumbo. Little 2-person break. Thanks for tuning in on it. Really do appreciate it, guys. This is the first time in a while I've had more viewers on Breakers TV than on Ustream at this point in the night. Adrian Gonzalez, little Javi Baez rookie there for the Cubbies. Brandon Finnegan. Logan Moon. Jorge Lopez. AJ Cole. Scott Schebler. And then we got Michael Conforto. Mini wave refractor. There's your Mets. That'll be going to William F. via trade. James Beattie. Witt. Albert Alomar. Evan Gatiste. And Phil Hughes at the end of the pack. 2 packs left, guys. 1 second. Something in my eye. I've got something sticking in my eye. All right, where's all the color at? Billy Hamilton. Right? Travis DeNorfio. Yastrzemski. Jim Ho-Sang. Here's a little car. Dilson Herrera. Purple border for the Mets. Yeah, I'll let you know in just a minute. I'll go through them here. I'll go through them here after the break. This one definitely is 238 out of 250. Noah Syndergaard. Another Mets hit. Top 100. Those are non-numbered. Nate Smith. Alex Verdugo. Jose Quintana. And Elvis Andrus. 1 pack left. Yeah, and then I'll go ahead and I'll show you guys those autos again. Check them for numbering on the back and all that fun stuff. Yeah, because I don't like the regular chromes aren't, the chrome refractors are. I don't know, it's kind of weird. Then it depends on if it's a prospect auto, a rookie auto. Jake Lamb, Chris Sale. Manny Machado. Danny Garcia. Archie Bradley. Wes Parsons. And then we got Tyrone Taylor, mini wave refractor from Milwaukee. The NL Central, Tyler B. Little Carlos Baerga rookie flashback. The refractor there. That'll be going to the Cleveland Indians via trade, Tyler B. Adam Engel. Colin Moran. Christian Walker, Brandon Belt, and Jose Reyes closing out. He did. He just got called up. I heard the same. All right, let's see here. With the Baerga, Noah Syndergaard, Jacques Peterson, DJ Peterson, Daniel Alvarez, non-numbered, Cole Stewart, non-numbered there, Andrew Heaney, Elvis Andrews, Robert Resnider, non-numbered, Nick Gordon, Daniel Corchino, non-numbered. They were all non-numbered. Yeah, nothing short print and no color out of the box. Yeah, not great, not bad, no color. I like when I get the Bowman. I like the color. I like getting color. You know, I mean, even if it's who's that? If it's like an orange auto or something like that, you know. All right, let me go ahead and save this video, and I'll be right back with you. Thanks for hanging in there. It's 101boxbreaks.com.